Sam from RFT. I'd like to share 3 key lessons I learned from Alex Hormozi and his workshop at acquisition.com. Now, stick around for number 3. It's a good one. At least for Relax Fit Tactical. I know all businesses are a little snowflakes, so all your problems are going to be quite different. But I'd like to thank the entire team at acquisition.com. Alex and Leila Hormozi have built an amazing group of people. I'm sure some of the credit goes to Frank. I'm so sorry I forgot your last name, Frank. But Frank is the fisher of humans. He's the guru at hiring. He blew my mind how to look at people or how to hire, like what you're looking for. Everyone there was an expert in their field, with many giving up higher paying jobs because they truly assembled the Avengers there. I mean, it's the X-Men of business building. So here are the 3 things I learned from acquisition.com for Relax Fit Tactical. Number 1, data. We've struggled with compiling and interpreting data at Relax Fit Tactical. It always felt like we were reading tea leaves. We were looking at smoke signals. Money would come in, money would go out, then come back in. And reading analytics felt like we were just pulling levers. We would pull something would happen. We'd be like, oh, look, it worked. But then when it didn't work, we were just guessing. Alex, Leila, and their team live and breathe statistics, numbers, and surveys. We're making changes here at Relax Fit Tactical starting immediately. We will be going off on analytics so much more. 2, delegate. As the CEO, are you doing everything yourself? Are you the editor, marketer, salesperson, creative director, CEO, videographer, manufacturer, secretary, accountant, delivery driver, therapist? It could be anything. You have to let go. I struggled with this, thinking I couldn't afford to hire someone. And I can't. But you don't need to hire a full-time employee. And when you do hire someone, you're not throwing $60K out the window like that. Identify your biggest time suck that can be easily handled by someone or something else. For some, it might be editing social media, content creation. For others, it could be accounting. For me, it's conventions. We do conventions. So I'm bringing someone on board for them to start shadowing me, and then eventually they're going to start getting in front and selling for me. You might just need to hire a service to take a problem off your hands. It's that easy. Number 3, product pricing. You're like, Sam, what the fuck? My product and pricing are dead on. Well, I'm here to tell you, my friend, you are most likely wrong. If your yearly revenue percentage ends with an ish, or you don't know your EBITDA, LTV, or CAC ratio, or if you think I just had a stroke when I said that, I guarantee you guessed on the price